Traders, I'm looking at the DXY and the pound dollar. So the first thing I want to do is just check out the DXY and see what the dollar's doing, and then come back to the pound dollar. DXY has traded into this liquidity pool under here, big time. All right, we've got these sell stops resting under here, under this range. It's hit it with a vengeance, and it has, well, it's hit it, it's reacted off it, and it's trending back down. Question is, where to from here? Do we see further downside, or is this going to reverse and we see a strong dollar come into play? That's the question. If we open this up, this is potentially bullish on the bigger time frame. So everything's going to hinge on the release tonight, data release. Okay, now understand that this has hit liquidity and it's holding this up at the moment. So the DXY, the dollar is hanging in there. Now with the pound dollar, it was bearish 4-hour time frame. We've had a little bit of a break here, bullish. Where to from here? All right, well, we've got a relatively weak pound at the moment, and I think everything's going to hinge on, if we go over here, have a look up at the Forex factory up here, calendar events. Tonight we have core retail sale. This is going to be key. So you want to watch this currency pair into this event. Now, at the moment, we've got a weak pound, and go back to the dollar, a strong dollar. If the data supports the dollar tonight, then we can look for a sell, in my opinion. Right now, given that this has been trending down, well, with a little bit of a move, a bullish move, but I mean that happens, right? Yeah, depending. I don't really want to look for a buy opportunity. Okay, let's just go out to the higher time frame and just get a bit of a perspective. See, on the weekly, let me just clear all the drawings. See, this isn't a bearish trend on the weekly. So big money is invested short. They're invested short. On the monthly, it's trading into, well, you know, these lows over here. So the pound dollar under pressure. My bias is going to be to sell, depending on the dollar outcome tonight, how this impacts the dollar. Okay, retail sales, right? Strong dollar, and then we can look for a sell. Now, how to get involved with this? Come down to a 15M, and I'm always looking on the lower time frame. So, you know, I won't be touching this until tonight. But we've got these lows here. I would like to see some sort of continuation, a break. Actually, you know, possibly a bit of a spike up, and then a break and retest of these lows. So a spike up, that would take out any liquidity up in here, and then, you know, you want to see the break of market structure before you get involved. So this over here could be a go ahead, depending on the data release. Strong dollar, then I'll be looking for this setup. I would love to hear your comments. Definitely leave a comment. Have a look below, and yeah, leave your comment below. That would be awesome. Share the love. With that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.